Microsoft has just released a brand new Windows 11 update, build 26220.7070, also known as KB5070300, for version 25H2 in the dev and beta channels. Let's quickly see what's new and improved in this update. First up, widgets get a new design. The widgets dashboard now has a proper settings page instead of a simple overlay, making it feel more like a standalone app. Also, when you open the widgets board, it now starts with your first dashboard instead of the last one you used. You can change this from the settings by rearranging your dashboard order. Plus, new icon badges now show the number of unseen alerts, a nice little touch for better notifications. Next, Microsoft improved the quick machine recovery feature. Now, instead of constantly running scans in a loop, it performs a one-time scan by default, faster and more efficient. If Windows can't find an instant solution, it'll show you the best available recovery options. Here's another big one: Smart App Control no longer needs a full Windows reinstall to turn on or off. Now for the fixes. Fixed File Explorer issues with Shift+Click not opening new windows and missing bold tab titles. Resolved a taskbar bug where AutoHide could stop working. Fixed settings freeze when opening network and internet. Fixed random task view pop-ups when clicking the desktop. But there are still some known issues. Like the start menu not opening, system tray apps missing, and some File Explorer glitches in dark mode. To get this update, make sure your PC is enrolled in the Windows Insider program under Dev or Beta channel. Then, go to Settings Windows Update, turn on, get the latest updates as soon as they're available, and hit check for updates. So that's everything new in Windows 11 build 26220.7070, KB5070300, cleaner widgets, smarter recovery, and more control over your system security. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more Windows 11 updates and tutorials.